Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to run iOS apps on your Mac. Perfect for checking your favorite mobile apps right from your desktop. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your Mac. Then, click on your username in the bottom left corner of the App Store window. This will bring up a list of apps you've previously downloaded using your Apple ID. By default, it shows only apps made for macOS. But here's the trick. Look for the drop-down menu at the top and click where it says Mac Apps. From the drop-down, select iPhone and iPad apps. You'll now see a list of your iOS apps that are available for installation on macOS. Now, keep in mind, not all iOS apps will appear here. Only apps that the developer has chosen to make available for Mac will show up. And this feature is only supported on Macs with Apple Silicon. That means M1, M2, M3 chips, and newer. If you're using an older Intel-based Mac, this option won't be available. Not every app works smoothly. Some older iOS games launched just fine, but they were hard to control since they were designed for touchscreens. Still, it's pretty amazing to run iPhone and iPad apps directly on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling us which iOS apps you're running on your Mac. I'd love to hear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.